Okay, so today we'll be doing a part 2 of destroying the motorcycle helmet. We're doing it in the alley, and this is how we're going to do it. Both of us are going to take 3 swings with the pickaxe at it, and we explained the rules in the last video, but these are the rules. So if you want to watch the last video, I would suggest watching it now instead of watching this first.
Yeah. To see like what we did.
Yeah, and so you could see all this damage we took off. We got the visor off. So both of us are going to take 3 swings with the pickaxe. Then afterwards, we're both going to take 10 swings or 10 hits with anything except the pickaxe. Afterwards,
Okay.
or we can like throw it up in the air and then,
I'm ready.
or like throw it around us and
Go.
stuff. Okay, you could go now. 1. See any damage done?
That right there.
Yeah, that like hole.
That. Okay. Well.
Okay, see? Boom.
Oh, that counts.
Beat it.
Okay. You get to try. This is our brother, Morgan. Let's get a try.
See if that did anything.
It's a good helmet.
Whoa, look at that. You're strong.
Yeah.
Try again. You get 3 swings with that, and then
Boom.
I think I missed.
Good enough.
that counts.
Mine now.
Boom.
See, did that do anything? I can't tell.
Am I gonna be internet famous now?
No.
Yes.
You guys have like 3 subscribers. No one of them. So.
I didn't get.
Here.
Okay, let's go. Let's get hit.
That was a miss. Kind of.
That doesn't count though.
Yeah. Try it again. Good enough.
That counted.
Yeah. That
Go.
will.
Go.
That was a good one. Way to hit.
It don't matter.
Yeah.
Just go. Try again. That counted.
No,
Fine. Okay. Now with anything else?
Did that do anything? Hey, look. I chipped off a piece. It's loose now.
Oh God, no. Stop. Stop.
Okay.
You can always
Okay,
upload
Morgan.
the first 2 parts.
He's
What's your toe?
okay. Laura, he's get hit. Go. Do it. Now.
So we're going to make a part 3. Or,
Yeah.
I don't know if part 4, but
I don't know.
smack it.
I'm gonna make it.
Okay. Here we go. I'm gonna do this.
Boom. That was good. That was
I
one.
think so.
One hit of one thing.
Boom.
Oh. Oh, that I saw that part inside.
Oh, sorry.
Oh. Get everything out of the way. And okay.
Stop.
So close. See, I can get it off.
Yeah.
You said that we wouldn't break it. Okay, that's all. Those 10. Okay, now keep moving. Enzo.
What?
Enzo. Did you notice the code?
No.
Okay.
Yeah. Did you pause?
No.
What?
I don't know.
They got it out.
Do it again. Will it bullet like a bowling ball? Maybe? I don't know. Wait, Sasha, stop. Wait, Sasha.
Yeah?
Wait, look at me. It's part of the video.
What were you doing?
Okay.
What were you doing?
No, nothing.
And so, what were
I
you
was
doing?
doing it.
And so, what were you doing?
I told you I was doing it on your face.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, one more thing.
Okay. We're gonna make part 3. Sorry we couldn't do it longer. Yeah.
Dad.